Hello, this is a recording of the Back to School Night message for computer science principals. My name is Fedor Menchikov. This would be taught periods 2 and 5. You can reach me at my email, which is fedor.menchikov@mcps.net. During the day, you can find me all over the school, but after school or before school, I'll be in rooms 209 or 211. They're right next to each other. And this is my phone number, although you might be better suited using this email if you want me to respond to you quickly. This class is very well termed Computer Science Appreciation class. We're going to be talking about all things computer science, not just coding. It's a very, very broad class, and we don't have enough time to go into a lot of depth with any one topic. So it's a great class to get your feet wet with computer science, kind of see what it's all about, all the various parts that go into it, all the various things you could study in a lot more detail in the future. Very, very interesting. We're going to start by looking at digital information, how computers store things. Then we'll take a look at the internet, how it's created, what goes into it, how do things communicate with each other via the interwebs. And then we're going to go on to programming, which is going to be a large section of the class as well. This is kind of an overview of our first few lessons. So we're going to be looking at binary numbers, overflow, sending text, compression, all kinds of things. Even here you can see the diversity of the topics we'll be covering. So a very, very scattered class. All of my information will be posted on my MCPS for the class. Please use that platform. I will be posting there on the homepage. It'll be a week at a glance. That'll tell you exactly what's due each day, as well as the objectives for each day. And then on the left-hand side, if you click on modules, all the assignments and notes are listed in chronological order by each week. So please use that platform if you miss a day or you need a refresher at any point. The classroom grading guidelines are similar to all other classes, 90% for all tasks and 10% for participation. Most things will be all tasks. Work turned in after the due date will lose 10%, and then the deadline, typically a week after the due date, is when I can choose not to accept your work. Sometimes I will still accept it, provided you have a good reason. If it's a pervasive problem, I will not continue accepting your work past the deadline. So please, please, please make sure you're focusing on turning in things on time. Or rather, you ask that your student does this. Attendance is really important. If your student is quarantined for COVID scare, then I will have a Zoom link that they will get and they can come and see me during period 1, which I have off, or after school by appointment. So please encourage them to communicate with me so we can set those things up. This is an AP class, meaning there's an AP credit to be earned. I will be upfront with you and let you know that most colleges do not accept this AP credit for actual college credit. However, there's still value in it in that you can use it to get out of a very basic computer science class. So it could help you get into a more interesting class more quickly in college. The test is two-part. There's a 70 question multiple choice test, as well as a individual or group, if you choose, programming project at the end of the year, which is a lot of fun. Students can really show what they learned. It's a very open-ended project where they can design all kinds of things, and I've seen some really, really cool programs. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email, and I look forward to working with you this year. Thank you.